to Thursday Cooking with Kevin. This week we are going to be doing an easy beef stir fry. I'm not using beef. I'm using beef, but it's actually steak. We had steak a couple weeks ago. We had some left over, so we threw it in the freezer. Thought it was an opportune time to have it with this dish. Our ingredients, well, you need some vegetable oil to heat up in the pan. It says about a pound of flank steak or thinly sliced, 2 tablespoons of cornstarch, 4 cups mixed vegetable. I don't have quite 4 cups, but I was gonna do carrots. My carrots weren't any good, so I got a whole bunch of peppers in here. We love peppers. For our sauce, it's gonna be 3 cloves of minced garlic, a teaspoon of minced ginger. Now I don't have fresh ginger, so I'm just gonna be using some of the powdered stuff. 1/3 cup of orange juice, 1/3 cup of water, a 1/4 cup of low sodium soy sauce, 3 tablespoons of brown sugar, 1.5 teaspoons of sesame seed oil, and 1 tablespoon of cornstarch. So normally if this wasn't cooked already, you could season it, powder. This is where you would powder the flank steak with some of the cornstarch to cook it, but we're not going to do that. I'll tell you what I'm going to do before I get to making the sauce. I'm going to go throw these in the pan to get them going. Okay, those are going. Now we are going to make the sauce. So we always use this already minced garlic. So 3 tablespoons. And then it says a tablespoon of minced ginger. We're just going to use I'm going to put about a half a teaspoon in because ginger is quite strong compared to fresh ginger. A 1/3 cup of orange juice. 1/3 cup of water. Quarter cup of soy sauce, 3 tablespoons of brown sugar. Now, my brown sugar is not the best. It's kind of all dried out on me. Just tells you how often we actually use brown sugar. 3.5. Okay. And then 1.5 teaspoons of sesame seed oil. Let's get it rinse. Actually, glad I reread this. Combine all the ingredients except for the cornstarch. We're going to save that a little bit later. It smells okay. Yeah, just a little bit more ginger. Okay. a mess all at the same time. All right, so we combined all that. So what we're gonna do, once we've done cooking the vegetables, heating up the steak, we're gonna separate it. Then we're gonna put the sauce into the pan, bring it up to medium high, bring it to a simmer, and then we're gonna combine our other cornstarch with 3 tablespoons of either water or broth. And we're just gonna add it in a little bit at a time, just kind of whisk it in it, and then we'll add the vegetables back in. Okay, we'll see you in a bit. Okay, the vegetables are done. I already added in the steak. So let me bring you guys down. Okay, so what we're gonna do now, we're just gonna put that aside. And we're now gonna add in our sauce. We're just gonna bring it, let it come up to a boil. Then we're gonna add in our starch. Yeah, it's almost gonna start to boil here. It smells good. Okay. So we're gonna use 2 tablespoons of starch. Just gonna whisk that in. And it just brings that sauce into a nice thickness. Okay, I'm just gonna remove it from the heat. I don't want that sauce to get over thick. Just wanna make sure that all the starch gets broken up. And then we're just gonna add in our vegetables and meat back in. Looks and smells yummy. Okay, now because my rice is not done, bring everybody back up. Because my rice is not done, I'm going to cover this up, remove it from the heat, and if I got to throw it back on the heat to warm it back up, that's what I'll do. So we will see you in a bit for the taste test. Okay, here we are at the table. It smells okay. I have a little bit of taste. I think there's stuff that I may want to add in the future, but well, actually, tastes a lot better when you actually taste it on the.
And I'm thinking broccoli.
And I think we had some, but I don't think it was. I don't think it's any good though. But you're right. Broccoli would have been good in this. Like beef and broccoli. Sorry. The skin of the pepper went down my throat and got caught. So anyway, yeah, it's actually good. So, and I mean, we had all the ingredients except for the fresh ginger. So, it was good. So, that is the, I always keep
Easy beef
stir fry. There we go. Easy beef stir fry. So thanks a lot for joining me this week, and I hope you have fun making it. It's very quick and simple. Great way to use leftovers if you have leftover steak or anything like that. Yeah. As I always end it every week, I don't know what I'm going to make next week, but I'm sure Kelly will tell me. Thanks a lot. Have a good week.